What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing some Airplane Story, and I'm going to be playing with my friend here. Let me unmute him.
Finally.
Okay,
Finally.
yeah, sorry.
It's gonna take 5 years.
Yeah, we've had so many tries before this.
It's gonna take 5 years.
Yeah, because
This
it's annoying.
This one has one player, and it's teleporting.
It's teleporting that player. We want to play just us.
Stuff like this forever.
Yeah, I think that one's just stuck. We want to play just us too. Wait, there's one over here. There's one over here.
No. Okay, we have to wait.
I think they're going in it.
Come in.
Yeah. Well. What we're trying to do is we just want to play just us two because it's funner that way, I guess, for him. But people are gonna wait that over there for us to go in or something like that, and it's annoying because we just want to play by ourselves. But come over. Hopefully nobody gets in. Because go in.
What are you doing?
Okay, we're going in by whatever. It's only one person, dude.
Okay, I want her to die. In the game. Not in real life. In the game.
Yes, we shouldn't say that. Why do I have? Oh yeah, A7.
Seven.
Dude, I haven't played that in I haven't played this game in like 5 million years. It's been so long since we've played this game. We played this game like a really long time ago, and yeah. My hand's like still out.
Okay. Yeah, mine is too.
Hello, everyone. This is your cat. Okay.
This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight
3146.
Can you stop speaking? We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level.
It's a lot.
The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Yeah, except there's gonna be a monster coming after us. Feel free to explore the airplane.
Okay, let's explore.
No,
Let's.
there are gonna be snakes.
Wait, dude, you shouldn't say too much about the game. Wait, hold on. Let's not say too much about this game, dude.
Those are really the only things I remember about this game.
Okay. I remember something about.
I don't know what that means.
Yeah, I remember what it means, but I'm not going to tell anyone about it because I don't want to ruin it for everyone. Now, please find your seats.
Okay.
As we're about.
You have 14 seconds to get into your seats. Now, please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence.
High turbulence.
Turbulent?
Okay. 1-0.
Where is he?
I remember actually losing because of that.
We're gonna die!
Are we supposed to get out of our seats?
I don't know. I'm staying.
I actually forget. Thank you for your cooperation. Cooperation, sorry. Cooperation. Cooperation.
Get ready, as our
Coop prepares a snack for everybody. Oh, I remember what happens here. I'm not
going to be eating, and you'll see why.
Hello, everyone. We are the crew members.
We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. I'm not eating.
Why? No, you have to get it. You get a sandwich. Okay. I'm eating my sandwich.
I'm not eating it, though.
I'm eating it.
I get a sandwich, but I'm not eating it.
I'm eating it.
I swear, if it's me, I'm going to be so mad.
I'm gonna love it if it's me. What's that? Oh no, it's her. I'm not feeling very well.
Do not find the medicine.
Nah.
Wait,
this in it. I'm allergic to mayo. Oh, my screen.
Oh no. Whatever will we do? Alright, actually, help.
I like saving. Oh, yep. Oh. Oh no, quickly. Come on.
Click.
I am. If you guys can't hear, I'm like clicking at 5,000. Okay.
Oh, there we go. Why isn't that showing my icon? There we go. Now it is. All right, back to
Phew, that was close one.
We need her. We need her for the part where we need to click a lot of stuff. Remember that part at the end?
Yeah, I totally remember that thing. Yeah, I totally, and I promise I didn't forget everything.
We have reached an unstable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride.
I got out of my seat.
Are we gonna run out of oxygen soon? When do we run out? it's this part. He's gonna be seen on the wing, isn't he? I don't remember.
I do.
Remember to stretch your legs. I think he is. I just
Yeah,
don't
he
remember
does. He
which
does.
wing.
He does.
I think it's the wing on your side.
Yeah, it's the wing on my side.
Yeah, it'd probably be best if we actually got out of our seats right now.
It would.
Cause
Yeah, he's right
I
there.
don't remember what happens. You there?
It appears we have lost energy.
Hang on as we try to fix it. Remember, I'm the one doing the voices.
Whatever. Guys, look. What is on the right wing? Dot.
I see something.
Dot.
It question mark, question mark, question mark. Dot, dot, dot.
Red eyes, bad picture, you know. Will not. Oh my god. Are those dot dot snacks? Well, this isn't me because I do not have a fear of snakes.
I don't remember which one.
We have to go into a restaurant. No, just a random restroom opens. We have to go to a restaurant. I know we have to go to a restroom.
Where are the snakes?
Yep, behind this giant. Just.
Oh, there.
Oh my god, why are they so fast? They are like lightning speed. Oh my god. Where is it?
Where's it? I'm just running.
Right here.
Find it.
It's one. Yeah, right here. Lavatory.
Emotes.
Lava
Time for an emote.
Tory.
Time for an emote. Yes.
I forget how to do emotes.
Oh.
What's the emotes?
There we go.
How do you do the emotes?
You have to click period. Stadium.
Oh yeah. Okay.
That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Let me say that better. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. There we go. That's much better. I still have my sandwich.
You actually do.
Anybody want to?
Yeah, I'm hungry. Can I have some? I'm hungry.
I just ate it.
You-
I just ate it.
Oh come on! I was
I'll tell you
hungry.
what's happening. A monster is attacking us. That's it. That's what's happening.
Privacy.
Simple. Privacy, please.
I just noticed I had that whole
Rock
thing.
lover girl. She's in love with rocks. What? Power's back up.
The power. It's back up. Is this 7? Yeah.
Circle. Thank gosh.
Creature on the wing is also gone.
Creepy.
Dun 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 dun.
Your attention, passengers. I have got good news and bad news.
What's the bad news? What's the good news?
I want the good news.
I know what the bad
first.
news is.
The good news is the power's back up.
I just noticed his mouth is super weird looking. Oh no, that's his mustache and tiny.
Is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen.
Ah! No! Help me!
Oxygen mask will drop over your seats. Take one, quick.
I don't see that. Oh my god. I gotta grab it.
I got it.
Ah, yes. No, the girl can't find one. She can't find one. Oh no.
She's gonna die.
Oh my god. Oh no.
That was a little gruesome.
Oh.
This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. There was only
Oh
two.
no.
Oh no. She did. In the game, not in real life, obviously.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, we lost power.
Again.
Yay. What a wonderful experience.
Oh my god. What is this? It looks like a bomb. Oh no, it's on me.
You got the bomb. Oh no.
Help me.
I need the scissors. Where are the scissors?
I don't know where this. Okay, everyone, calm down. Oh, there's scissors right here.
I got them.
Oh no, you have to choose which one it is.
Yeah.
I found a pair of scissors.
Oh, you have to.
Oh no. Which cable should I cut? Oh
What
no.
cable? What cable?
Oh jeez. Blue.
This could end up in your death, you know. In the game.
I'm dead. Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh.
Sorry.
How is this working? How do you have a mask over a mask?
I don't know. I just noticed I have this random thing to a bike on my desk.
What?
Well, we should look for them.
In a while, we should look for them and check if everything is okay.
Oh, come on.
Where is she? Where is
Stupid
she?
lock.
There
There's
she
a cat.
is. There they are. I found them. They are unconscious.
Wait, they're unconscious? Oh my god. I'm already
Oh,
close
it's
to
on
the
the
captain.
other side.
Okay.
This way, and pretty sure the code. Where's the code again?
It was at the end.
What?
It's at the end, remember?
Yeah.
Okay, you go look for it. You go get it. You go get it. You go get it.
Might be in trouble. I'm gonna go get the code. I'll go get the code.
And I'll do
This
the
one is code. If we find it, we might be able to open it. Hurry up.
Oh, gosh.
3738.
3738?
3738.
I think you have to click it. You gotta click it. You gotta click it.
I have to click the code. I'm running back.
Come on.
I'm clicking it. Oh,
I
there.
found the code.
I found the code.
Okay.
3738. Okay.
Let's go. Go in. Let's in. Oh gosh, I forgot he stands there.
It's the creature. How long is this video going to be?
I don't know.
You will pay for what you've done.
What did we do? What did we do?
What did we do? You think you are a hero. You think you are a hero, and then, but you're not. What?
Why does this background sound like a monkey
There's
background?
only two of us, you idiot. That is not possible.
I'm like, you are a scientist, so I guess it is.
It is. And now, it's time to die. Come on, Did he click the buttons? Clicky button time. See you in the afterlife.
I don't know. No.
See you never again, because we're not going to see you.
Oh god.
Click the buttons. Conscious. Am I be the co-captain? The co-captain. The plane's falling. What are we going to do?
I'll start from this side. You go for that side.
We need to find the autopilot button.
That's not how it works on an actual plane, though. Okay, find it. Just click all the buttons.
I am.
Come on.
This looks so hard to do by myself. Oh, I found it. I found the button.
Okay.
Therefore, I should be the co-captain. We did it. We saved the plane.
I want to drive it.
You've driven it most of the times. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already.
Yeah.
Click, clickety, click, 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 click.
You don't have to click the chair. I know that.
I know. I'm not clicking the chair. I'm clicking the buttons.
Yeah.
Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone.
I've talked like 2 times in this whole entire story.
Let's go. Let's
Like
go.
3 times. That's it.
We're gonna go find the phone.
I know
Let's
where
go.
it is.
I do too. The other way on the other side.
You know you get automatically teleported back here if you're. Hello.
We need help. Our captain is unconscious.
We're so tall.
Don't worry, you will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay?
Yes.
Yes.
But besides from one person. Besides from one person. Besides from one person who yeah.
Died from loss
Yeah.
of oxygen.
Okay, we've traced your location and we are taking control.
How are we calling them if they're unconscious?
There is one last
No,
step
it's a
we have
different
to take.
people. They're from somewhere else.
Someone needs to keep the plane on track.
I know, but they literally look the same, all 3 of them.
Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain.
How'd you get on it?
You know, jumping kind of slows you down, right? I love how you're just in the back, like, okay, everyone, I got this. I'm a kid.
Oh, I can move.
Oh, that cool. Can I jump? Can I see? No.
No! No, 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 no.
Climbing on top of him. Oh no! Oh no! It's back! You humans are funny!
Get off of him.
Your destiny has already been written!
No.
Last chance, Spidey-Man over 9,000!
That's his
That's my
actual name. Yeah.
Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for
No, please.
eternity.
No, dude, don't do it. No,
Will you crash the plane? No.
I'm not doing
I'm
it.
not doing it. I'm saving this plane. Click the buttons. You humans are so weak. This is not the last time you see me. We see multiple versions of you. We see a lot of versions of him.
Mhm.
Like a lot.
We haven't done like number 5 though.
No, I don't think we have.
What did he mean?
I wonder what he meant. Probably we won't be seeing the last. Probably that's not the last time we'll ever see him. Yeah, that's
Oh
probably
my
it.
gosh. I love how I've only talked like 4, maybe 5 times in this story.
I know.
And then everyone's talked like 18.
Plane victory.
Victor! We are victorious.
We
Well-
are the champions, my friend.
Well, guys, I guess that's the end.
That's it, guys.
Goodbye, guys. Let's do the outro together, dude. Let's do the outro together.
We will
Stand
see
by
you
me. Stand by me.
in the next video.
Well, yep. Goodbye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.